General Upendra Dwivedi took charge as the 30th Indian Army Chief yesterday. The 30th Chief of Indian Army belongs to the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles and was Vice Chief of Army Staff from February 2024. Meanwhile, outgoing Chief General Manoj Pandey was presented a ceremonial guard of honor at the South Block Lawns, New Delhi, on the occasion of relinquishing the appointment of Chief of the Army Staff. His career spans over 4 decades and stands testimony to his dedication and leadership of the Indian Army. Dwivedi is an alumnus of Sainik School, Rewa. He was commissioned into the 18th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles in 1984. He hails from Madhya Pradesh with a military career spanning over 39 years. Lieutenant General Dwivedi served in both the northern and western theatres of India and was appointed as Deputy Chief at Army Headquarters. He headed the 9 Corps in Himachal Pradesh and was also Director General of Infantry. He has commanded his battalion in active counter-terrorism operations in the Kashmir Valley and in the Rajasthan Desert. He has been Inspector General Assam Rifles as Major General and Sector Commander as Brigadier. Assam Rifles participated in intense counter-terrorism operations and held various other staff command appointments in the northeast, where he pioneered the first ever compendium on Indo-Myanmar border management. Dwivedi has also commanded the Rising Star Corps along the Western Front and a prestigious Northern Army from 2022 to 2024 in an extremely challenging operational environment. He was also involved in modernizing and equipping of the largest command of the Indian Army, where he steered the inductions of indigenous equipment as part of Atmanirbhar Bharat.